With the data selection function, QuickRows can perform different actions in a listing, including counting, marking or copying the rows matching the search parameters. This is a list of invoices with the usual columns. Suppose we are interested in knowing how many invoices with the pending status are. To count the rows including such status, we will use the data selection function, inserting the search text by clicking any cell with such content, and pressing the Add button, or typing it directly in the search field. The last step is to press Go. That's it. The number of matching rows is shown immediately. We can go a little step further, so we switch the specific task to mark rows and repeat the action. Perfect. To create a listing with the pending invoices, all we have to do is set the specific task to copy rows. A new sheet is created with the same root name and a suffix. The first cell of this new sheet shows the number of rows and some useful information. Let's return to the initial sheet and add a new parameter. We will mark all the pending invoices from the customer Alex. The type of search is set to and to validate both parameters, and the specific task is set to mark rows again. Great. We can invert the selection to mark the non-matching rows. Fantastic. Let's try a new search, this time a range of values. For example, to get a new list of the rows whose amount is between 100 and 200. We use the greater than symbol to set the range. It will be applied to all the numeric columns unless a column is pre-selected. Great. We will create a new listing with the rows matching the proposed range. OK. And finally, we will search for any embedded text, for example, the brand Xerox. We set the appropriate specific task and press Go. As you can see, the combination of all these settings allows to select data and to obtain fast results in no time.